You know, one of the things we really enjoy is being involved in design build projects, and the reason we enjoy it so much is it gives us a chance to actually be engineers and consultants, part of a team, and to help our contractors, to help the other design members, and ultimately to help the owners of the project develop the best value for the dollars that they have. We've had some wonderful successes right here in Missouri, thinking back to the I-64 project, where we went with an idea that has its roots hundreds of years ago, but we applied it in a different way. We used what we call stone trenches, kind of like compacted stone columns that they might use to stabilize a soft soil. We were in a position where the schedule didn't allow that, but the contractor had equipment and means necessary to be able to do something. And he just didn't know what that was, and we got together with the team and we found that these stone trenches would give him exactly what he needed, allowed him to control the schedule for the project, and were significantly less expensive than any of the other traditional alternatives that might have been proposed in say a design bid build project or by a consultant who was maybe not as engaged as we were. We've since been able to take that idea and roll it into other projects with other state agencies, and they found huge savings and benefit from that. Allowing your consultants to work together in a team with the contractor to come up with those types of solutions, that's really where the value is in design build. When I look at where our transportation system is right now, we had great vision with Dwight D. Eisenhower and the interstate highway system, and just a wonderful contribution that well outlasted the life of the visionary who had it. We had a great mass transit system back at the late 1800s, early 1900s, that really started to fade away as the automobile and that sense of independence took over. As we start looking out into the future, I don't think we can sit back anymore and rely on a single mode of transportation. We've got to bring back together all of these pieces and develop the integrated system that we had when the automobile first came out. So in 20 years, I think you're going to see cities who have much better light rail and streetcar systems, more efficient bus systems, and a combination of toll roads and public highways that allow for that sense of independence that we've come to grow and love as Americans, but also the ability to move people around more efficiently en masse to reduce some of the energy consumption and the impacts on the environment that we know come from not just transportation, but from the lifestyle that we lead. We have an opportunity now to give our clients, both designers and contractors, as well as agency owners, a voice in the transportation industry, something that there hasn't been a great forum for in the past. And to help fill that void and to give them really the opportunity to provide their value and their contributions to the discussion that's going on.